Mohon perhatian, channel Efek Film segera dimulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan saya Bahronggo di channel Efek Film. Di video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan merekap alur cerita film Game of Thrones episode berjadi di season yang ketiga. Yang belum nonton season pertama dan kedua, silahkan cek dan klik link playlist di kolom deskripsi. Yang belum subscribe silahkan di subscribe, dan juga untuk meninggalkan jejak dengan cara like dan komen sebanyak-banyaknya agar tidak ketinggalan dari video-video yang akan kami bawakan. Jangan lupa sebelum menikmati alur cerita filmnya, siapkan kopi dan udut serta jajanan pasar agar tidak mengantuk, iya kan? Iya, Game of Thrones season 3 episode 3 dimulai. Tuku beras neng kecamatan, ayo kerja keras untuk menunjang masa depan. Film diawali dengan Robb Stark, ibunya dan juga istrinya Talisa menghadiri pemakaman kakeknya yaitu Lord Hoster Tully. Paman Robb, Edmure Tully, mencoba menyalakan kapal pemakaman ayahnya dengan panah penyala, tapi gagal setelah 3 kali mencoba. Saudara Hoster, Brynden the Blackface, mendorongnya ke samping dan membakar perahu saat menghilang di Trident. Setelah pemakaman selesai, Robb Stark menegur pamannya karena mengabaikan perintahnya. Edmure menyerang pabrik di dekat tempat Jorah Clegane ditempatkan, mengacaukan strategi Robb untuk menariknya keluar.
Your instructions were to wait for him to come to you. What value was the mill?
Seized an opportunity.
Is he there now?
The mountain was garrisoned across the river from it. We took the fight to him. He could not withstand.
I wanted him to chase us. I wanted to draw the mountain into the west without a strategic thought in his head. Done because he is a mad dog with into our country where we could surround him and kill him. Could have that head on a spike by now.
Edmure membela keputusannya yang menghasilkan 2 sandera Lannister muda, tetapi Robb dan Blackface meremehkan. Alih-alih gunung, mereka memiliki pabrik.
Need our men more than Tywin needs his.
I didn't know.
You would have.
Sorry.
You're running short of patience here.
Right here today at this gathering if you had been patient. You know who isn't? Tywin Lannister.
Beralih di King's Landing. Untuk pertemuan pertama mereka, para anggota Dewan Kecil bergegas untuk mengatur kursi mereka di sekitar tangan kanan raja yang baru. Menunggu semua orang duduk, Tyrion menarik kursi ke ujung meja dan menghadap ke ayahnya. Tywin sangat marah karena tidak ada kabar tentang Jaime ketika Littlefinger dikirim ke Eyrie untuk mengadili Lysa Arryn.
Have known about his escape for weeks. And the rest of the world combined. Collectively, you control more spies and inform to tell me that none of you has any notion of where he... What do we have then?
Robb, my lord.
Try harder. Lord of Harrenhal will make a worthy suitor for the widow Arryn.
Lady Arryn and I have known each other since we were children, which I am extremely grateful to you, my lord.
Leave for the Eyrie as soon as possible and bring Lysa Arryn.
Tryon dinamai Master of Coin atau bendahara kastil.
The royal wedding may end up being the most expensive.
Position that best suits your talent is why I'm naming you new Master of Coin.
Beralih ke Brienne dari Tat yang berkendara dengan Jaime Lannister dalam tahanan anak buah Luke. Dia memberitahu Kingslayer bahwa keterampilan pedangnya tidak sesuai dengan legendanya.
It was slower than I expected. And I'm a woman. I was still beating you. And more predictable. Were as good as people said. Once.
Jaime menangkis mengatakan padanya bahwa dia akan diperkaos malam itu. Dia menyarankan untuk tidak melawan. Tapi Brienne mengatakan bahwa Jaime akan menolak jika dia berada di posisinya.
Make camp tonight, you'll be raped more than once. You'll be wise not to resist. If you fight them, they will kill you. I'm the prisoner of Valiant, not you. Understand? Huh?
You let them do what they wanted. If you were a woman, you wouldn't resist.
Beralih dengan kelompok persaudaraan. Saat yang lain berkemas, Hotpie memberitahu Arya dan Gendry bahwa dia akan tinggal. Pemilik penginapan itu membuat perjanjian dengan Thoros untuk menyimpan Hotpie karena keterampilan memanggangnya.
I baked some brown bread for the innkeep.
What?
Told Thoros she's keeping me as a payment for all the free meals she's given him, and she said she never had better.
Hotpie memberikan roti Arya berbentuk seperti serigala dan ketiganya berpamitan.
Oh, I made you something.
What is it?
It's a wolf.
That's the tail?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
You safe? Yeah, you too.
You don't. And your fingers.
Don't get stabbed.
Goodbye, Hotpie.
Goodbye, Harry.
Hey, Hotpie! It's really good!
Beralih di luar tembok, terlihat Welding dan Jon Snow tiba di Feast of the Fishman, tetapi mereka hanya menemukan mayat kuda-kuda dan tidak menemukan ada mayat manusia.
Oh, man. It's only horses.
You said there was dead crows.
There was.
How many men were here?
About 300.
And you know what those men are now?
Sadar apa artinya itu, Mance menginstruksikan timnya termasuk Jon untuk memanjat tembok dan bersembunyi di sekitar Kastil Black. Mereka akan menyerang ketika mereka melihat sinyalnya, api terbesar yang pernah dilihat di utara.
Tormund, take Arel and 20 good men. Climb the wall. Take this one. Knows Castle Black's defense is better than the old wall to hide behind, but it only guards one side. Hide near Castle Black. Signal. Hit them in the night. I give the signal.
I always see your signal.
When it's time, I'm going to light the biggest fire that send your eagle above the wall every night the North has ever seen.
Dan ketika orang-orang dari Wedge berhasil mencapai Craster Keep, Craster dengan enggan membawa mereka masuk.
Frozen crows, what have we here? Come a long way. Smaller flock than you went north with. We can talk inside. Oh, can we?
Di dalam, dia mengolok-olok berat badan Sam, mendorong Sam untuk meninggalkan camp. Mengikuti suara jeritan, Sam menemukan Gilly melahirkan seorang anak laki-laki.
Well, look at him. He's a walking feast.
You're nearly there. Push should do it.
What is it? What is it?
Beralih di Storm End, melihat Melisandre bersiap untuk berlayar, Stannis Baratheon memohon padanya untuk tinggal dan menjadikannya putra lagi. Melisandre mengatakan tidak, apinya berkobar-kobar, dan mengatakan kepadanya bahwa harus ada pengorbanan.
I cannot. Your fires burn low, my king. You don't have the strength. It would kill you.
Ketika Stannis protes, dia mengatakan kepadanya bahwa dia bukan satu-satunya dengan darah bangsawan.
There are others with your blood in their veins. First there must be sacrifices. You will sit on the Iron Throne. The Lord of Light demands it.
Beralih di Astapor, terlihat si Daenerys menyurvei Walk of Punishment di Astapor. Dia menawarkan air kepada tahanan yang sekarat, tetapi dia menolaknya.
Leave this place, Your Grace.
Meskipun Barristan Selmy menyarankan agar mereka segera pergi, Jorah Mormont berpendapat dengan sebaliknya. The Unsullied hanya untuk membunuh atau perintah. Mereka tidak memperkaos atau menjarah setelah pertempuran.
But the Unsullied are not men, and it stirs when you put a sword in his hand. You do not put cities to the sword unless they're ordered to do so. They do not rape. And they'll kill are those you want dead. You buy them. The only man...
Disagree, Sir Barristan.
Ketika Ser Barristan menceritakan bagaimana tentara yang setia berkumpul di sekitar saudaranya, naga terakhir, Rhaegar, Dany mengatakan dia berharap dia mengenalnya, tapi dia mengingatkan penasihatnya bahwa dia bukan naga terakhir.
Rhaegar fought valiantly. Rhaegar fought nobly.
Did you know him well, Sir Barristan? I wish I had known him.
But Your Grace, finest man I ever met.
He was not the last dragon.
Melalui Missandei sebagai penerjemah, Daenerys memberitahu Grants bahwa dia ingin membeli 8.000 Unsullied miliknya. Daenerys menegosiasikan harga satu naga untuk menutupi biayanya, membuat Barristan dan Mormont kesal.
Master Krasnys says you cannot afford this. I have dragons. I'll give you one.
Khaleesi, please. You will win the throne with dragons, not slaves, Your Grace.
Crazen menuntut yang terbesar dari ketiga naga Daenerys, dan akhirnya Daenerys setuju, menganggap Missandei sebagai bagian dari kesepakatan juga.
They want the biggest one.
Rovage.
Done.
Done.
I'll take you as well. Now, have a bargain well struck. You'll be Master Krasny's gift to me.
Daenerys menghukum Ser Barristan dan Jorah karena menanyainya di depan umum.
You're both here to advise me. You'll be advising someone else. Value your advice, but you question me in front of strangers again. Is that understood?
Beralih di King's Landing, Tyrion mengambil alih buku besar kerajaan dari Littlefinger. Littlefinger meyakinkan Tyrion bahwa dia akan mudah untuk membuat angka-angka itu berlaku, dan dia berterima kasih kepada Tyrion karena telah mengamankan pembebasan Roose ketika Cersei menahannya.
If only the Master of Coin had such power. I should have him knighted. I owe you a significant debt. You secured her release when the Queen detained her. Her red-headed friend. Understand that it's easy to make them behave. They're only numbers. Numbers on paper.
Sebelum meninggalkan rumah bordir, Tyrion dan Bronn mengantar Pot ke sebuah ruangan untuk mendapatkan hadiahnya sebagai ucapan terima kasih karena telah menyelamatkan Tyrion selama pertempuran Blackwater. Tyrion telah menggunakan jasa 3 gadis pelewak untuk sangat terampil menjadikan Pot seorang pria.
My lord, I don't...
Be back in time for my supper.
Saat Tyrion membaca buku kerajaan, Tryon menyadari bahwa kerajaan tidak hanya berutang kepada Lord Tywin Lannister. Bank besi Braavos juga berutang puluhan juta naga emas.
It's not my father I'm worried about. We owe them tens of millions. The Iron Bank of Braavos. The bank will fund our enemies. If we fail to repay these loans, one way or another, they always get their gold.
Tapi Tryon dan Bronn tidak bisa berkata apa-apa saat Pot kembali dengan emas yang diberikan Tryon tadi. Para pelewek menolak pembayaran dari Pot pengawal muda itu.
Oh, it was a gift, much more than I give you in a year.
He's a squire. You don't pay him.
This is more than I give you in a year.
I wouldn't take it, look.
You ever known a whore to turn down gold?
Maybe they're trying to curry some favor with the new master of coin.
What did you do to them?
Lots of things.
What did you tell them?
I didn't tell them anything.
And they seem to like these.
Yes, my lord.
Sit down, Podrick. We're going to need details.
Beralih dengan Theon Greyjoy yang dibantu dari salib berbentuk X oleh anak laki-laki yang kemudian menempatkan Theon yang lemah di atas kuda. Dia memberitahu Theon untuk pergi ke arah timur menuju Deepwood Moat.
Your sister's waiting for you. Go.
Come on. Theon naik, tetapi dia dengan cepat disusul oleh tentara yang mengelilinginya dan memukulinya. Penyiksa utama menyuruh anak buahnya untuk menurunkan celana Theon untuk bisa diperkaos. Tiba-tiba panah mengambil sebagian besar pria tersebut. Bocah itu tiba dengan menunggang kuda untuk menghabisi si penyiksa. Yang mengenali bocah itu dan menyadari pengkhianatan itu.
You little bastard.
Beralih dengan Brienne dan si Jaime. Terlihat anak buah Luke berhenti untuk bermalam.
You lot can finish her off. I'll take the big bitch first.
Ketika Brienne disingkirkan, Jaime memberitahu Luke bahwa Brienne berasal dari Dart, Pulau Sapier. Ayahnya adalah Lord Selvin Dart, akan membayar beratnya dan musafir jika dia dikembalikan tanpa noda.
Father's Lord Selwyn Tarth. Every sapphire in Westeros, we call it the Sapphire Isle. You know why? Sapphires are gemstones mined on Tarth. Lord Selwyn would pay his daughter's weight, but only if she's alive. In sapphires, if she's returned to him, they honor undismerged.
Luke memutuskan untuk membiarkan Brienne pergi dan lebih jauh melibatkan Jaime dalam percakapan. Merasa semakin percaya diri, Jaime meminta untuk dilepaskan dan Luke setuju. Luke mengizinkan Jaime untuk bergabung dalam makan malam.
I'm asking to be freed from my constraints, but to keep me chained to this tree.
Unchain Sir Jaime from the tree. Suppose you'll be wanting something to eat. We've got a spare partridge on the fire.
Famished, actually.
A carving knife. Bring the bird over here.
Tapi alih-alih mengukir seekor burung, dan tiba-tiba Luke melepaskan tangan si Jaime.
Everyone alive has to bow, and you think you're the smartest man there. Have you got something to say? You've got to do is say my father. You're nothing without your daddy. You don't want to say the wrong thing. This should help you remember.
Dan akhirnya Game of Thrones Season 3 episode 3 bersambung. Saksikan episode selanjutnya. Yuk gas, cekidot.